Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McLennan County and Central Texas, northeastern Bell County and Central Texas, Falls County and Central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bruceville Eddy, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. 2-inch hail was reported earlier with the storm in McGregor. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, Temple, Hewitt, Robinson, Woodway, Marlin, McGregor, Lorena, Troy, Bruceville Eddy, Rosebud, Moody, Lott, and Cahuenga. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 304 and 328. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.